Hello everyone. Today we talk about the Chinese character whose sound is chen. Okay. So in the first tone is one chen. Okay, one character. There are 8 characters in the second tone, chen. And 3 characters in the first tone, chen. Okay. From the chen. We start from the chen. So this character has 2 parts. This part means grasping, okay? The bottom part means fish, repeatedly fishing. You use the fish cages. So his meaning means repeatedly fishing. Use the cage, okay? It's another chen. So his left part means walking, running, okay? His right part means seize, okay? Treasure, okay? So he means seize opportunity to catch up. Okay? Catch. Chen. It's another chen. See? This is chen. The first meaning use the fish cage to repeatedly fishing. Okay, this is chen. The second meaning means see, this is rice, this is flat. So he means a fair, accurate measurement, okay, of the grain. First meaning liking, wishful. Okay, second meaning constantly, fairly. Third meaning praise, glorify, praise. First meaning proclaim, speech. Fifth meaning say, name. Sixth meaning original verb, fair, accurate, grand, weight. Seven meaning measurement of the weight of the object. Eight meaning the measurement weight of the instrument. Now, it's another chen. This word has 2 parts. Okay, this is river. This is 2 sheep. It means throw the sheep into the river to pray, not to get flattering, as a sacrifice to pray from the flatting. Okay. Another meaning means soup. Okay. Third meaning means it's a city. Okay, in China. This is another chen. Okay. So this character has 3 parts. So the top left part means mountain. Okay, the bottom part means soil, awareness. The top right part means east. Okay. So his meaning is the troops march in the mountain, in the wilderness. Okay, lay up. Okay. The second meaning is the verb, formations, deployed troops. Third meaning arrangement. First meaning list, detailed, recounting. Adjective long home, faded, obsolete, old. Okay. Another chen. So his left part, this part means river, lake. So his middle part means cattle. Okay. He means to throw the cattle into a river as a worship, to pray not to get flooding. Okay. Submerged. Okay. Third meaning, adverb, deeply, thoroughly. First meaning, decentralization, odd. Fifth meaning, adjective, deep, heavy. Okay. Here's another chen. See, this is another chen. This is like a dust. This is deer. Sorry. So this is soil, dust. So this word means dust. So the deer ran in to cause the dust. Okay. Second meaning, secular. Okay. Clean the earth. This is chen. Morning.